Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Ever been shocked by unexpected charges on a repair bill? Hidden fees can ruin your day. But at Arts, we make sure you know exactly what you're paying for with no surprises. Take Jamaal, a rideshare driver who visited us a few weeks ago. His 2014 Dodge Charger had a scratched fender from a tight alley. Jamaal had been burned before by shops adding unlisted fees at checkout. We gave him a clear upfront estimate, breaking down every cost in detail. Our team repaired his Charger to perfection, and the bill was exactly as quoted. Jamaal told us, "Art's honesty about pricing was refreshing. My car looks awesome." We keep it simple. Our free estimates are thorough, transparent, and final. No hidden fees, no last-minute surprises. From minor dings to collision repairs, our Pomona shop builds trust with straightforward pricing. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're committed to fair, honest costs and quality work. Don't risk unexpected charges. Come see us for a free quote today. Want repairs with no surprise costs? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or check out artsautobodyandpaint.com for your free estimate. We keep pricing clear.